Hey music creators! Today, we're diving into Ableton Amp, a next-level effect that brings the character of 7 classic guitar amplifiers right into your DAW. Developed with Softtube, it uses physical modeling technology to deliver authentic, flexible amp tones with easy, consistent controls. You've got 7 amp models to choose from. Clean, based on a 60s classic, perfect for that British invasion vibe. Boost, great for edgy rock riffs, modeled after the same amp's tremolo channel. Blues, bright classic 70s amp tones, ideal for rock, country, and blues. Rock, modeled after one of the most iconic rock amps of all time. Lead, high-gain amp for metal, built for a lead guitar. Heavy, dialed in for grunge and metal sounds with a vintage feel. Bass, a rare 70s amp, known for its deep low end and fuzz at high volumes. Switch between these with ease thanks to the streamlined controls. You can adjust gain for distortion, volume for output, and use bass, middle, and treble to shape your EQ. You've even got presence to tweak those mid-high frequencies for extra edge. Pro tip, amp is modeled after real analog gear, so sometimes settings interact in unpredictable ways, like how turning up the treble might lower the bass. But that's part of the magic. Amp isn't just for guitars either. Try it out with drums or synths to add some raw analog grit to your digital sounds. Pair it with the cabinet effect for a more authentic feel, or run them independently for unique tones. Stay creative and don't forget to follow for more music production tips.